Register for heart valve screening camp if are you experiencing 1. Shortness of breath, especially when lying down or during activity. 2. Unusual tiredness or fatigue. 3. Swelling in feet, ankles or legs. 4. Rapid or irregular heartbeat. Difficulty performing daily activities. These could be signs of a leaky heart valve, known as mitral regurgitation ease. Register for our free heart valve screening camp, Tuesday, November 25, 2025, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Yashoda Hospital, Somajiguda, Hyderabad. Get your heart valve evaluated by expert cardiologists and learn about the latest treatments available. Good news, a minimally invasive solution is available. TEER, Transcatheter Edge-to-Edge Repair, repairs your valve without open heart surgery. No open heart surgery. Small puncture in the leg. Quick recovery, 1 to 3 days. Return to normal life faster. Who should attend? Anyone experiencing the symptoms listed above. Those already diagnosed with mitral regurgitation. Patients told they need valve surgery but concerned about open heart surgery. Anyone with a history of heart problems. Echocardiogram, heart ultrasound, transesophageal echocardiogram, TEE. Comprehensive discussion on treatment options. Expert evaluation by interventional cardiologists. Personalized treatment recommendations. To register, call now. 954 247 5650 9848 155 650.